be able to hear this on camera, but listen to this. No bueno. I don't know if it's because I never drove the Evo that much in Florida or what, but I've gotten so many people pumped on this car here. So many thumbs up, so many like head turns, like, yo, this is a sick car. If you guys are ever in Vegas, you need to go eat at Public Us. It was probably some of the best food I've ever had, and it's in this kind of sketch looking area, but the food is absolutely incredible. So it is Sunday. This is actually our first day off this week. We got some food, and now we're going to be heading to a shop locally to take a look at both of our cars. There are definitely some things that I need to check on mine, and then Adam's car is like under braking, trying to get sideways. As you guys know, I threw on Adam's old rotor and track pad setup onto this car right before it loaded for transportation to Vegas. And these track pads, they are so noisy. It is embarrassing. Look at this. It's so embarrassing. I don't remember them being this bad when they used to be on Adam's car. I just keep having to tell myself it's worth the sacrifice, because on track it's literally going to be night and day better. But man, I just get everybody staring at me, and I already look busted because I don't have mirrors on this car yet. My door is all creaky. Bro. Yeah, we'll get together, but the brakes, man, it's a little rough. After I compete, I might actually swap out the brake pads. I don't know. Adam is figuring out his alignment. It's finally time. I've been putting this off because I've been a little nervous about it. It's time to see if my mirrors actually match the car. So let me bring them out. Before I assemble them, we're gonna know. I actually brought this through the airport, and last minute, thank God, Adam thought of it, and I had to put the bases, as the bases are metal. I threw that in my check bag and then smuggled the rest of the ganador pieces in this purse onto the plane. All right, this is the moment of truth. Doesn't match. Oh wow, perfect. We match, y'all. Thank God. Let me I want to shine a light on it. Let me see. Hey, it is. All right, 100%. This is satellite silver. We'll see what they look like on, but so far, so good. I mean, obviously this is fresh paint, but let's see. We have a match. Oh, there we go. That's good. Perfect. Okay, finally, moment of truth. Dang, this don't look so good. So Adam helped me assemble these. The springs inside these are so insanely difficult to get everything back in. This took a lot longer than I thought it would, but they are both done, and now it's time to get them back on the car. after my first look. Yup. Oh, so much better. So much better. Dang, dude. Wow, that silver is actually freaking perfect. Damn. Dang. I love. So good. Alright, the next thing that I need to figure out is my seating position with the wheel that I currently have in here. Now, I'm only just now thinking of track setup. We got the track pads on, the upgraded two-piece rotors on, and then when I actually adjusted the seat to where I'd want to drive on the track, I realized I'm way too far away from the wheel. So, you never want your hands straight. That is not good. You always want your wrist here with a slight bend. And that's how you can, like, I always double check my fitment like that. And currently, where I actually want my feet on the pedals and how much room I want down there, that puts me like this. So I either need to change to a wheel that has a deep dish on it or put a quick release on. And I really like this wheel that's in the car currently, so I'm just gonna throw on a quick release and see if that gives me like the 2 inches closer to me that I need for it to work. If not, I did bring another wheel that has more of a dish to it that should bring the wheel forward, but I think the quick release will end up solving all that. So I'm gonna throw it on there, and then hopefully my seating position is a lot better.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on.
Freaking perfect. And I got a quick release. Yes. This is it. This is the winning formula. This is literally perfect now. Right there. Again, wrist here, slight bend. Gangster.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Wow. Huge shout out and thank you to Taiju Motorsports for one, letting us take over their shop, and two, doing an alignment on both my car and Adam's car. And we found a couple things with my car. One, the driver's side shock is pretty much blown out. It's leaking and it's not the best, but you know what? It's what we got, so I'm gonna have to make it happen my entire time that I am here in Vegas, but that's something to note. So we noticed that. And then the clunking, the shock collar on the passenger side was also loose, so that could have been the clunking. On the passenger side, the bushing is like completely blown out as well. So I don't know, them going through everything, tightening everything up, it's now not clunking. So I left the shop and I was like, oh my god, the car is just not clunking anymore. So I don't know, maybe it was just that collar that was on the passenger side, but I literally felt the clunk through the column. So I don't know, whatever they did, they worked their magic, and now look, there's no more clunking. I'm so stoked. We have an alignment on the car that is going to be geared more towards track performance. It's like right in the middle there, so it's not too aggressive for street driving. I got my mirrors on the car now. We got a quick release and my positioning is way better. So all in all, it was a very, very productive trip, and I cannot wait to get this thing out on the track for the very first time, actually. I cannot freaking wait. One of the absolute best things about Vegas is that they have E85 stations everywhere. They're plentiful. I absolutely love it.